Hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah, and tonight we're gonna get unready. That's so silly. I got some new skincare from Pixi, and I'm super excited to try it. I've never tried any of these products before. I've tried Pixi skincare, but not these ones. So I figured I would get unready on camera and try some new skincare. So if you guys want to get unready with me, then please keep watching. And before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, or you could just get it over with right now. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos, and follow me on Instagram so we can be friends everywhere. My link will be in the description box below, or my name somewhere here on the screen. So let's get started. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up because I just washed it today and I hate getting my clean hair dirty. I don't even like to get it wet because I have kind of like wavy hair, and when it gets wet it gets all like weird and like weirdly wavy. I have weirdly wavy hair. I'm just gonna use this cute little silk scrunchie, and now my hair is up and out of the way. So next I'm going to take off my lashes because we obviously want to take off our lashes before we wash our face. Okay, so this little milk cart or whatever, isn't this cute? I think this is so cute. I love like cute PR packaging. Anyways, this little carrier has 6 different milk cartons and they're all numbered. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm obviously going to start with number 1, which is Remove. And this is the Hydrating Milky Makeup Remover. Comfort and nourish with every serving. So step 1 is to remove. And this is the product that is in the box. Same one, the Hydrating Milky Makeup Remover. So it's a makeup remover. It's coconut probiotics. And it's a bi-phase makeup removing milk. Super excited. Let's see if this is good. So me and my friend have been like talking about skincare lately. It's been like a hot topic between us, and we're both trying to like figure out a skincare routine that works for us, and we're trying like new products, and we're trying to like be better at skincare and like learn more. I know I have a lot to learn when it comes to skincare, and I haven't really found a skincare routine that I'm like crazy about yet, so I'm hoping that I really love these products. Luckily I have like pretty good skin for the most part. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good, so I feel lucky about that, but it could be better. Okay, so this says Hydrating Makeup Remover effectively removes waterproof and long wear eye makeup, lip and face makeup. Coconut and probiotics help to moisturize and balance skin. Shake to mix, soak a cotton pad and gently press onto eye, lip or face to fully remove stubborn makeup. Okay, so it says to shake it first. I love this little like push down thingy. So I'm just gonna, oop, did you see it squirt out? Oh my god, I did it again. Okay, so my cotton pad is soaked, and I do this with my other makeup remover too. Like the bottle says, I just hold it down for a few seconds so that product can start like breaking up my makeup, and then I will start to gently rub it back and forth and remove my eye makeup. Usually I'll hold it down on my eye a little bit longer too before I start rubbing, especially on my eyelashes, because I like to be gentle on my eyelashes so I don't like lose any. And then I just like to take the cotton pad down and start removing the makeup on my face. Wow, this makeup remover works pretty good. And then that side is obviously dirty. I'll flip over my cotton pad before I grab a new one because I like to really conserve my products, including my cotton pads. I don't like to like waste. Okay, so I'm gonna get a new one because that one's pretty dirty. And I'm going to remove the rest of my makeup, and then we will move on to step 2. Alright, so step 2 is the Hydrating Milky Cleanser. This also has coconut and probiotics. This is a soothing cleansing cream. It's rich moisturizing daily cleanser. Soothing cream cleanser with coconut probiotics and willow bark extract conditions and moisturizes as it thoroughly cleanses the skin for all skin types, including very dry. Use daily. Apply a coin size amount and massage cream into skin before remove with with moist face cloth or rinse off with water. So I have a big coin size, a large coin size amount, and I'm going to rub this between my fingers a little bit, and then I'm going to start working this all over my skin. I really should have gotten my face wet before applying this, because that is better for your skin to do that, but because I'm filming this in my studio, we're just gonna do it this way. Yeah, I definitely need some water in this, but it is getting on my dry skin. That's so bad. It is getting like foamier, or not foamy, but like it's like sudsing up, if you will. It's very thick without water. So I'm gonna go wet my face, move this around a little bit, and I will be right back for step 3. Okay, so I just rinsed off that cleanser, and honestly, I don't like it. So once I got it wet, it got super like thick and sudsy, which is fine. I'm fine with like a wash that gets sudsy like that, but it left me feeling so dry. And it definitely says hydrating milky cleanser, but I do not feel one bit hydrated at all. It reminds me of when I use bar soap. So I hate bar soap because every single bar soap I've ever used leaves my skin feeling like painfully dry as soon as the water rinses off the soap. So that's why I don't use bar soap. And this cleanser makes my skin feel the same exact way bar soap makes my skin feel. So I do not like that at all. If you're into something that will like totally leave your skin feeling dry, you would like this, but I do not. And I'm kind of bummed because it totally says hydrating milky cleanser, and I feel so freaking dry, like so dry. So let's move on. Hopefully I like the next one a little better. Okay, so the next one is the Hydrating Milky Peel, Exfoliate and Smooth with every serving. Okay, so this is the Hydrating Milky Peel Gentle Exfoliating Cream. Gentle micro peeling cream, natural cellulose, rich in moisture, clears away dead skin cells for delicate brightening, suitable for all skin types. Use daily or as needed. Apply a thin layer onto clean skin, avoiding eye area. Leave on for 2 to 3 minutes. Gently massage into skin and rinse off. So let's give this a try. So I can't imagine it's making my skin peel already. It must have like little things in it that are creating peels, unless it's that strong and it's literally like, do you see this? Like the more I rub it, the more like little peels appear. Do you see these little peelies? I can't imagine that that's actually my skin. Can you see these little peelies? So it says to leave on for 2 to 3 minutes and then gently massage into your skin. And it says it's an exfoliating peel. I wonder if that's like actually my skin. I cannot imagine that this product is that strong. It's making like that many peels, but I don't know. It's kind of grossing me out. It would be nice if it made my skin exfoliate though. Love a good peel, right? It's supposed to peel off all the dead skin on you. Ew, look at it. It's literally like all these little peelies. So after you massage it into your skin, you're supposed to rinse it off. So I'm going to go rinse it off and then we'll move on to step 4. Ooh, that is so weird. So weird. Okay, so that made my skin feel a little bit better. Definitely feels a lot smoother actually. And that was way more hydrating than the cleanser was. This says it is a hydrating milky peel, so this one, I actually really like this one. I like exfoliators, and even though this one was super weird, it left my skin feeling so soft. Still a little on the dry side, but definitely feels more hydrating than the cleanser, so I like this one. Okay, step 4. Okay, so step 4 is a toner, and this is the Pixi Milky Tonic Jojoba Milk and Oat Soothing Toner. Calming and hydrating milk enriched tonic to comfort complexion. This tonic is infused with oat extract to help soothe and balance, rehydrates, nourishes, and relaxes. Alcohol free for all skin types. Use AM and PM after cleansing. Okay, so honestly, I use their like glow tonic. It's the orange one, and I use that every single day, and I really love their toners. So I'm hoping that I like this one too, because it smells good first of all, and I like the way it looks. So I just took some on a little cotton pad, and I like to just kind of tap it around my face. I don't really like to like drag it around my skin. I just want to be a little bit more gentle. So I'm kind of just like pressing it into my skin. and tapping it all over my face versus rubbing. It smells really good and it feels so good on my skin. It definitely feels hydrating. I like the way this one smells better than the Glow Tonic actually. The Glow Tonic has a smell to it, but I don't really like the way it smells that much. I like the product, I just don't really like the scent. This one smells really good though. It smells kind of sweet. So I'm gonna let that dry. And now we can move on to step 5, which is the Hydrating Milky Serum. Restore and soothe with every serving. So in the box it comes with the Hydrating Milky Serum. This is Revitalizing Skin Boost. And then the little dropper that goes in the little bottle. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this. It smells good. I put a little on my hand. Okay. I love dropper bottles, don't you? Okay, so this says rich source of botanical extracts and vitamin E. We like that. That helps protect, nourish, and strengthen skin for all skin types. Use AM and PM daily. Massage 2 or 3 drops onto cleansed, toned skin. For extra hydration and glow, add 1 to 2 drops to your moisturizer before applying. So this, I think, is going to be something that I like. I like to apply my serums directly to my skin. I know this is probably way more than 2 or 3 drops, but I don't care. And I'm just going to gently massage it in with my fingers. It's thick. Can you see how thick it is? I definitely put too much because I feel like I have excess product on my face, but I don't care because I'll just drag it down my neck. Oh my god, it smells so good. It makes my skin feel so much better because it was feeling really dry after that cleanser. So I'm going to let that serum sink in before we go into step 6. Serum smells so good, by the way. I love that it's thick. I like thick products. Alright, and step 6 is the Hydrating Milky Lotion with coconut and shea butter face and body moisturizer. Deeply hydrating lotion for face and body. Multi-use moisture lotion delivers improved hydrating intensity as well as long term. A unique blend of coconut oil, shea butter, and cocoa seed extract helps ensure optimum skin health. So I guess you can use this on your face and body, which is nice. I'm going to take some on my hands, my fingers, and put this all over my face. I definitely have way too much, but I don't care because I'll just rub the excess onto my hands. Ooh, this smells so good. It's very fragrant though, which I've heard skincare with like a lot of fragrance isn't good for you, but I don't know. It's like super perfumey. So if you don't like that, you probably wouldn't like this lotion. It does smell nice though, almost a little too strong in my opinion. I prefer skincare with no scent or very minimal, and I definitely don't really like floral scents. So it smells a little floral in my opinion. It doesn't really smell like coconut. It just smells like floral. But it feels good. I would say this lotion is a little on the thinner side. I like a super thick, creamy moisturizer for my face and my body. Not everyone likes that, but I do. This one still feels very moisturizing though. A little on the greasier side. Like you could feel, what is it, shea butter? I think there's shea butter in this. Yeah, there is shea butter. You could definitely feel the shea butter and maybe even like the coconut oil. Is there coconut oil in this? Yeah, there is coconut oil. So it definitely feels a little oily, but that feels nice. So this does feel like a face lotion that I would use. Same with a body lotion. I'm so picky about my lotions too. But I do like this one, this moisturizer. I don't really like how fragrant it is, but it does feel nice on the skin. If you're okay with that like oily coconut oil shea butter feel, it feels really nice on the skin. And I like that you can use it on your face and your body. I'm going to put a little bit of lip gloss on because I like to put on some lip gloss after I wash my face. I really like this one. This is a lip oil and it is from CoverGirl. It's from their Clean Fresh line, which is new. And this is just the transparent or the clear lip oil. Pretty, right? It feels very moisturizing too. It comes in other colors. They're kind of like a lip tint, so they're not like super opaque. They're just like a sheer little lip oil, but some come with color and then some are just clear like this one. So anyways, that is it for this little get unready with me skincare first impressions review, try on, whatever you want to call this. I hope you guys enjoyed this very in-depth skincare, Pixi skincare review. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, leave a comment down below, come say what's up to me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!